everyone, welcome to Yopedia and this is Shikha. So friends, if Mahindra company is also visiting your campuses and you're preparing for the interview of Mahindra company, so this particular video and this documentation is going to be help you out to ace your interview. So HR round basically technical is different and HR is different. So this is a blend of both. Technical is something you have to be good in your technical part, but HR round is something which is showcasing your personality, your behavior, your gesture, your knowledge related to the organization, and all these things going to be checked it out in your interview. So in this video, we are going to cover all the information related to Mahindra company. What is the history and establishment of this company, mission, vision, what are the CSR initiative taken by this company, what are the products and services it is manufacturing, and on what kind of portfolio it is working. So we are going to be cover all these things in this particular video, and it is going to be help you out in crack your interview, right? Because these are the some of the basics and advanced thing you must aware about this company Mahindra. Let's get started the video and just check it out that which is this company and what is it doing basically. So this is Mahindra Rice, and talking about the history and establishment of this company, it is Mahindra and Mahindra, one of the India's leading multinational, you can say the blend of companies, which is manufacturing, which is best in automotive manufacturing industries, and it has also it has been expanded its business over the years in IT sector, in defense sectors, and many other sectors. Also, one important fact I would like to make you highlight that in 1945 it has been established, founded as in Mahindra and Mohammed in Ludhiana, Punjab. But after India's partition in 1947, when we got independent, when we got parted, it was renamed as Mahindra and Mahindra, right? So primarily it was focusing on the steel trading. Then it has been expand its business towards the automotive manufacturing industry, right? So over the years, these are some major milestones. You can have a look to that how it has been grown up. In 1945 it has been established and Mahindra and Mohammed. Then in 1947 it has been renamed as Mahindra and Mahindra, right? Also over the years it has been entered in some ventures, right? List and shares in Bombay Stock Exchange, then tie up International Harvester USA, ओके देन 82 में इसने बेसिकली अपना फर्स्ट ट्रैक्टर लॉन्च किया था एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर में एंटर करने के लिए. देन 1983 में महिंद्रा एक लार्जेस्ट सेलिंग ट्रैक्टर ब्रांड इंडिया में बन चुका है, और वी ऑल नो दैट दिस टाइम वी ऑल आर ह्यूज फैन ऑफ दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एज जो ये मैन्युफैक्चरिंग जो इसके प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, ट्रैक्टर्स, जीप्स, थार्स एंड व्हाट नॉट आर देयर. सो वी ऑल आर फैसिनेटेड टुवर्ड्स दैट, राइट? So you can have a look to that basically, right? It's very I'm not saying it's too important, but yet somehow it's very important. In 2022 जो Anand Mahindra इस company के chairman हैं, they have got the Padma Bhushan by the President of India, ठीक है, for its good work and for the this big industrialization. This is company's management. We must aware about who is the chairman of the organization and this company, that is Mr. Anand Mahindra is the chairman, and this is some of the information given related to the Mr. Anand Mahindra. You must aware about कि वो कौन है, वो क्या करते हैं and all like that, right? So you can have a look to that. These are some another managing director. Managing director is Mr. Anish Shah, and headquarters lies in the Maharashtra, मुंबई महाराष्ट्र इंडिया में जो है इसके हेडक्वार्टर्स हैं. टॉकिंग अबाउट द विजन एंड मिशन, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ योर HR राउंड, एंड दे आर गोइंग टू बी आस्क यू दैट what do you understand by the vision and mission, and what is the vision and mission of this company in which you are going, right? So vision, basically I'm again telling you that vision is something where do you see that company after 5 years or in future, right? And mission is the current objective, immediate objective on which portfolio it is working right now, right? So about Mahindra, what is the vision of Mahindra? Basically it's to become the top global brand across industries operating, ठीक है? Obviously it is the vision कि आने वाले टाइम में फ्यूचर में ये सबसे बड़ा ब्रांड बने in terms of automotive manufacturing industry. And mission is currently it is working on the driving positive change through mobility, रूरल प्रॉस्पेरिटी एंड टेक्नोलॉजी लेड इनोवेशन पे ये काम कर रहा है, बिकॉज टेक्नोलॉजी इज समथिंग विच हैज बीन एक्वायर्ड ऑल द फील्ड ऑफ दिस living conditions of India and even the society, right? Coming towards the products and services, in which company you are going, you must aware about its products and services, its selling, its offering to the people. So about Mahindra जो है कौन कौन से products जो हैं बनाती हैं, that is automobiles, SUVs, commercial vehicles, electric vehicles, tractors and farm equipment, defense vehicles बनाती है, ठीक है, armored vehicles, military transport solutions, IT and technology, Mahindra Tech Mahindra, finance service, Mahindra Finance, and real estate, Mahindra Life Spaces. So these are some the products and services. You can check it out. Now ये ना कुछ मॉडल्स हैं बेसिकली जो व्हीकल्स जिस इंडस्ट्री में वो बना रही है उसका कौन सा मॉडल है, क्या नाम है, उसका साइज क्या है और व्हीकल की इंफॉर्मेशन प्रॉपर्ली दी हुई है. सो अगर यू नो दे कैन आस्क यू कि हाँ व्हाट टाइप ऑफ व्हीकल्स, कुड यू सजेस्ट मी सम नेम और कुड यू गिव मी सम नेम. सो ये टेबल काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके. ब्लैरो नियो 2021 में, ठीक है. थार इज देयर, थार रॉक्स, नाउ स्कॉर्पियो, क्रॉसओवर. सो ये आपको पता होना चाहिए, ठीक है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड आई थिंक थार एंड थार रॉक्स इज वन ऑफ द फेवरेट वन ऑफ एवरीवन. सो ये थोड़ा सा आप एक बार हाईलाइट जरूर चेक कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है. देन XUV 700, मरेजो, ठीक है. सो दीज आर सम द आई वुड से द लीडिंग मॉडल ऑफ दैट महिंद्रा. लाइट कमर्शियल व्हीकल में आ जाता है स्कॉर्पियो गेटवे, यूटीवी में आता है रॉक्सर, इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल इज XUV 400, राइट. सो दीज आर सम like models, like model vehicle for this company Mahindra, जो कि which is very good to be showcase. Competitors कौन कौन है? Competitors आपको जरूर पता होना चाहिए कि who are the main competitors of the Mahindra company as it's a big brand. तो इसका competitor कौन है? टाटा मोटर्स आर देयर, मारुति सुजुकी इज देयर, ठीक है, अशोक लीलैंड, बजाज ऑटो, होंडा इंडिया एंड फोर्ड इंडिया, ठीक है. क्योंकि ट्रैक्टर्स एंड और जो एग्रीकल्चर में इसके प्रोडक्ट्स बनते हैं तो फोर्ड इंडिया इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द लीडिंग कॉम्पिटिटर ऑफ दिस कंपनी. Coming towards the financial performance, yes, you must aware about that what is the market share of the Mahindra company and what is the market position and what is the asset of this company from the point of view कि उसका क्या market में position है, उससे उसका profit margin पता लग जाता है, ठीक है. सो ऑटोमोटिव मार्केट शेयर में बेसिकली अप्रॉक्सीमेटली जो 8 to 10% पैसेंजर्स हैं वो सबसे ज़्यादा डोमिनेंट है एसयूवीज में, ठीक है. एंड फार्म इक्विपमेंट जो है हमारे बेसिकली मार्केट शेयर 40% डोमिनेंस है ट्रैक्टर्स पे. मैंने लाइक वी हैव जस्ट डिस्कस्ड कि एग्रीकल्चर इंडस्ट्री में इट हैज़ बीन मैन्युफैक्चर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ट्रैक्टर्स एंड इक्विपमेंट रिलेटेड टू एग्रीकल्चर. 40% शेयर इज देयर बेसिकली with the market dominance basic. For more clarification you can have a look to this table, ठीक है. आप एक बार इसको जरूर चेक कर लीजिएगा. इसका रेवेन्यू, नेट टोटल एसेट कितना है, दैट इज 83,811 करोड़, ठीक है. ये 2024 रीसेंट का है. ये जरूर एक बार आप चेक कर लीजिएगा. रीसेंट डेवलपमेंट्स एंड फ्यूचर प्लान्स क्या हैं महिंद्रा के? बेसिकली इट इज वर्किंग इन द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ ई व्हीकल्स, ठीक है. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग विद 10,000 करोड़ इन्वेस्टमेंट इसमें की गई है. कोलैबोरेशन ग्लोबल टेक कंपनीज के साथ जो कि ऑटोनोमस व्हीकल्स रिसर्च में हैं उनके साथ कोलैबोरेशन करना. एंड एंट्री इनटू द लग्जरी ईवी सेगमेंट विद द लॉन्च ऑफ बोन इलेक्ट्रिक एसयूवीज, राइट. रिसेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स, ये आपको जरूर पता होना चाहिए कि रिसेंटली महिंद्रा like on which projects Mahindra is working currently. So you must aware about that. First of all, it's electric vehicle expansion, farm equipment expansion, you can say it out, ठीक है. After that it is smart farming initiative by using AI and LOT to optimize farming techniques. Mahindra Advanced Design Europe made, ठीक है, because this company is going to be established a new design studio in the UK. ये है automotive expansion and partnership with Volkswagen, right. So these are some कह सकते हो कि आप प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं रिसेंटली जिन पे महिंद्रा काम कर रही है. कमिंग टुवर्ड्स द कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, CSR इनिशिएटिव्स क्या है? नन्ही कली which is representing the basically education of underprivileged girl education, right. जो गर्ल्स हैं अंडर प्रिविलेज सेक्शन की, उनकी एजुकेशन को प्रमोट करने के लिए इट इज गिविंग इट्स कंट्रीब्यूशन एज एन CSR इनिशिएटिव व्हिच इज नेम्ड एज नन्ही कली. महिंद्रा हरियाली, राइट. skill development programs it is working, Swasth Mahindra and renewable energy commitment. Coming towards the recent awards and recognition, so ये कुछ recent awards हैं महिंद्रा से related, ये आपको ज़रूर पता होने चाहिए. Best Indian Auto Manufacturer of the Year, Sustainability Leader Award, Global Innovation Excellent Award, Great Place to Work Certification, and these are some important awards. आप इसको इंक्लूड कर सकते हो, आप इसको एक माइंड सेटअप की तरह भी यूज कर सकते हो जब आपसे ये पूछा जाता है कि आप क्यों ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो महिंद्रा को. ठीक है. SEMI's 2024 Best Social Media Brand and Tech Mahindra Most Preferred Workplace for Women 24-25. It's the best award. Very important question. Why do you want to join Mahindra and Mahindra? आप क्यों ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो, क्यों इस कंपनी में आना चाहते हो? What motivates you to join this company? So the answer is very simple. First of all, it's innovation and technology focus. Global presence is there and employee centering culture is also there. तो आप इसमें सैलरीज वगैरह इतना ज़्यादा हाईलाइट नहीं करेंगे. यू हैव टू बी टॉक अबाउट द मिनिमल बेसिस, बट येस व्हेन इट कम्स टू एम्प्लॉयमेंट सेंट्रिक आप ये अवार्ड भी इवन इसमें काउंट करवा सकते हो. दैट वुमेन सेफ्टी और बेटर वर्क प्लेस फॉर द वुमेन 2024-25 का जो अवार्ड अभी रिसेंटली मिला है. नाउ दिस इज गोइंग टू बी हाउ टू select in the placement process. You need to be understand the company, you need to be understand the information related to the organization, right? You need to be showcase your confidence level, you should have good communication skills, right? You should prepare your technical skills plus and go to the website once. Most important HR interview questions related to this company. First of all, tell me something about yourself and about your professional journey, or tell me something about yourself in a brief manner. So it is basically giving you introduction. That need to be very, very clear about your education qualification, from where you come and what are you currently doing, right? Then it's hobbies, interest, strength, weakness. Why do you want to join Mahindra and Mahindra? ठीक है. Mahindra के latest project और innovations क्या हैं? Challenging project आप describe करो and how you have handled it. ठीक है. Deadlines को कैसे manage करोगे and project pressures को. ठीक है. Leadership quality आप बोलते हो कि माई स्ट्रेंथ इज आई हैव लीडरशिप क्वालिटी. सो लीडरशिप क्वालिटी कैसे होती है, क्या होती है? यू हैव टू बी जस्टिफाइड. ठीक है. व्हाट आर द क्वालिटीज ऑफ अ ग्रेट लीडर? हाउ डू हैंडल एवर हैंडल्ड अ कन्फ्लिक्ट विद द टीम? हाउ? लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड इन इंजीनियरिंग, कैसे अपडेट रहोगे? प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग को इंजीनियरिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स में कैसे अप्रोच करोगे? And can you give an example of to improve an existing process? Where do you see yourself in next 5 years? That is what is your vision in your life. How do you handle constructive criticism? ठीक है. Why should we hire you over other candidates? Cost optimization projects कैसे आप वो करोगे, हैंडल करोगे? सेफ्टी प्रोटोकॉल्स क्या है while working on an engineering project, right? How do you handle multiple projects simultaneously, right? And what if these are some situational questions basically. What do you do if you disagree with the senior's decision? And how you ensure high quality work under tight deadlines? So these are some important HR questions related to Mahindra and Mahindra, right? So this is about this company Mahindra and Mahindra, which is like multinational conglomerate basically in India, which is working over the automotive manufacturing industries and making very good vehicles in different kind of sectors, which is serving different kind of sectors of India, right? Even in the foreign nations too. So these kinds of things, this kind of information is going to be relevant and helpful to ace your interview. Must prepare with Yourpedia mentors. You can read out this documentation. Again, I would like to tell you, you can download this PDF or this documentation from Yourpedia panel itself and can read it out. Again, as a reminder, there is a series of different kind of companies over the Yourpedia Campus Placement YouTube channel, where you can watch all kind of videos related to all different companies and you can prepare for your interview. So till then, all the very best. And yes, if you found any query, any question, you can reach out to Yourpedia. All the very best.